जब पहाड़ों की बात आती है तो एक अलग सी वाइब्स आती है, दिल को एक अलग सा सुकून मिलता है। तो ऐसे ही हम जा रहे हैं एक हिल स्टेशन पर जिसका नाम है मुक्तेश्वर।
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase the bag, I wanna way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
तो गाइस फाइनली हम पहुंच गए हैं मुक्तेश्वर और दिस इज़ चोली की जाली विच इज़ वेरी फेमस प्लेस। So guys, right now we are heading towards Mukteshwar Dham Mandir, which is on very highest peak.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
So guys, that's it for now. How's this video? Just do let me know in comment section and hope to see you next video. Till the time, take care, bye bye.